Hello, and welcome to my presentation. This presentation is the best ranked restaurant. What I will be discussing is how I was able to determine the best ranked restaurant that fits my needs. First, the first page you want to go to is Setup. This is where there are three selections to choose from: Preference Values, Ranked Alternatives, and Selection, considering other factors too. Picking this selection will help you guide to be able to choose between different things that you like and ranking them for the end so that you are able to see which one you picked and ranked higher than the others. So I'm picking Selection, considering other factors too. On the next page, Criteria is where you have all the choices to choose from. I had Logan's Roadhouse, Olga's, and Red Lobster, which were the old ones, and then I had to add three on the right, which are new. This is Panera Bread, Big Bear, and Coney Island. The arrows pointing are here are the new choices that I made so that you can have a better selection and a better turnout rate when you find which ones fit your needs. The lowest rank and the highest rank is what you need to pay attention to. That is how you rate what you were trying to figure out. I ranked Logan's Roadhouse as a 3 out of 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest. I gave him a 10. I ranked Olga's 2 for the lowest, and then highest rank, I rated them 8. So you do this for the following, or the next few, and at the end, when you decide between the two, it kind of helps you pick which one suits your needs. The next is alternatives. This is where you pick the pace of where and how you would like to enjoy your food. If you'd rather pick a fancy restaurant, then Coney Island would be out of the question. Giving these alternatives gives yourself a range of what kind of mood you're in. If you need to make a fast dining experience, then picking Coney Island would be the best bet. Alternatives are great when it comes to time management. As you can see, these are the same numbers that I just mentioned earlier. You can see which one is higher and which one is lower. So if you want to do Red Lobster and do fancy dining, that meets with this, that's a 9. But where you want to go to Panera and do fancy dining, that's a 1. And so on for everything else. Next is ranked alternatives. This shows you how much you go to that restaurant or which ones you pick the most out of. This helps narrow down what you're looking for, and it ranks which one spikes your interest. As you can see from the ranks, the general category of restaurants is ranked the highest, which is right here. It is in first place with an 81.3%. With this being said, it doesn't matter if it's fancy or fast. Just being able to enjoy yourself at any one of these restaurants is what matters the most. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you enjoy my slideshow.